Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, you will learn how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu desktop using a combination of graphical and command line methods. Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by Google. It is the world's most popular web browser. It is fast, secure and full of features to give you the best browsing experience. You should keep in mind that Google Chrome is not available for 32-bit operating systems. You should make sure that you are using a 64-bit operating system. Now let's get started. Navigate to Google Chrome's download page using Firefox, which is the default browser that comes preloaded with Ubuntu operating system. You can download Google Chrome using the following URL: google.com/chrome. When you click the download button, it gives two options for downloading files. You have to download the .deb file, which is suitable for Ubuntu. In the next screen, you should opt for saving the file to the computer. You can monitor the download progress on the top right corner of your browser. How long it takes to download depends on your internet connectivity. The file has now downloaded, and your downloaded deb file should be in the Downloads folder. You can now close or minimize the Firefox web browser and navigate to the Download folder. Right-click and select Open in Terminal. Enter sudo apt install command in Terminal. Ensure you leave a blank space after install. Now drag the downloaded deb file into Terminal and press the Enter key. It will ask for your password before starting the installation. Enter your password and press the Enter key. The installation process will begin once the correct password is entered. It's time to relax and let it do its thing. From here on, the installation process should not take more than a minute to complete. Because the installation process will complete in less than 60 seconds from now, I will keep the recording going so that you don't miss anything. All done. You can now close or minimize both the download folder and terminal. You can now click on the application menu to access Google Chrome. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.